5 business trends to watch out for in 2022. In the blink of an eye, a year passed. The year 2022 will be here before we can say happy holidays. So what does a new year mean? Time to start bringing out the New Year's resolutions? No. It's a new beginning and a few new business trends. So what kind of trends should you keep on your radar for the coming year? In this video, we'll take a look at 5 business trends to watch out for in 2022. Make sure to watch this video to the end so you don't miss out on the bonus we'll be sharing. Hey there and welcome to After School TV, the channel that inspires you to explore opportunities to achieve your life goals and make more impact. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button and press the notification bell to get a notification anytime we upload a video. And don't forget to leave a comment down below. 5 business trends to watch out for in 2022. 1. Freelancers will make up a large part of the workforce. Freelancers, often known as gig workers, make up a sizable portion of the workforce. In the United States, 59 million people worked as freelancers last year, and with the pandemic redefining what we know as normal, that number will only continue to rise in 2022. You might be asking yourself, what do gig workers have to do with my business? It could be a match made in heaven, depending on your requirements. You can engage a freelancer for a one-time project to get experience in a specific field. Not to add, you'll save money by not having to hire a full-time employee. Gig workers, like children, represent the future of the worker economy. Consider freelance options for your business come 2022 if you want high-quality work at a lower administrative cost. And who knows, you might find a worker you like so much that you'll decide to hire them full-time. 2. Artificial intelligence will be more common. Artificial intelligence, AI, has quickly gained acceptance in the business sector to aid in the automation of certain jobs, and it will only grow in popularity in the coming years. Artificial intelligence can help you improve sales, get to know your consumers better, and even prevent fraud, depending on the type of AI you use. And who doesn't want all of that? Here are a few examples of AI in the workplace. Chatbots on websites and social media. Smart assistants like Siri, facial recognition, personalized recommendations, fraud detection systems, personalized ads and marketing. AI has improved over time and it will continue to do so in 2022 and beyond. So do yourself a favor and look into artificial intelligence for your company. You never know how this trend will assist your company in growing and succeeding. 3. Governments will focus more on renewable energy. In 2022, the switch to renewable energy will have an impact on businesses. Recently in China, factories have been encouraged to limit power use to achieve China's National Energy Administration's renewable energy targets and emission goals. According to the International Energy Agency (IEA) report, renewable energy generation grew by 7% in 2020 and 8% in 2021. However, this expansion cannot meet global demand, and the resulting gap may force enterprises to become more energy efficient. 4. Communication software will play an important role. Prioritizing good communication with your team is an important aspect of running a successful business. Otherwise, this lack of communication can lead to a poor teamwork and even workplace drama amongst colleagues. Communication tools and software have become a must-have trend in this remote era to boost communication. Chances are it will continue to play a significant role in the coming year. Since COVID-19 struck in 2020, video conferencing tools and messaging platforms have exploded. They'll likely be around for a long time, just like remote employment. 5. More authentic business practices. Consumers today are looking for a more in-depth relationship with brands, and as a result of this yearning for connection, authenticity has become a business trend in its own right. Because consumers like to see companies and business leaders demonstrate fundamental human qualities like honesty, reliability, empathy, compassion, humility, and maybe a little vulnerability and fear. Authenticity helps to establish human relationships. We want companies and their executives to be concerned about issues and stand for something besides profit. Bonus: e-commerce business will thrive. Due to the need for businesses to adapt to survive the pandemic, many trends have emerged in the previous year or two. One tendency that is likely to continue in 2022 is e-commerce. E-commerce enterprises, which sells goods and services through the internet, are growing in popularity. Why? Customers can buy from the comfort of their homes. Business owners also don't have to worry about having a physical location. Furthermore, business owners can avoid some operational costs by doing all of their operations online. It's a true win-win situation. If you're thinking about starting a business but are cautious about opening a storefront, starting an e-commerce business may be the perfect new trend to follow. That's it for this video, and thanks for watching. If you like this video and want to see more, then make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. Have a look at our other videos for more fun, educational content. If you have further questions, feel free to comment below. See you next time.